Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if your Reddit account is marked under 18. So, this usually means the birth date on your account indicates you're a minor. So, this affects your access to certain features, including NSFW communities and content. So, to fix that, open Reddit and sign in to your account. Next, click your profile picture in the top right corner. Once you're here, scroll down to the bottom and select Settings. Next, at the top, select Preferences. Now, under Preferences, go to Content, and under Content, make sure Show Mature Content I'm over 18 is turned on. So, toggle it on. So, once you click that, select Yes, I'm over 18. So, it says here to update the settings to show mature content, confirm you're over 18. So, click Yes, I'm over 18. Next method is to check your birth date. So go to account, look for your date of birth if it's incorrect, and Reddit allows editing it. So update it to your correct birth date. Now, avoid creating a false birth date. So, using inaccurate age information may violate Reddit's policies and could lead to account issues later. So, if you recently corrected your age through Reddit support, it may take some time for the change to be processed and reflected on your account. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.